Assalamu alaikum. Once again, I am in front of you, and this is Abdul Halim, and we are going to learn today very important tense, that is the future continuous tense. Let me tell you the definition of future continuous tense. We use future continuous tense to talk about the actions which will be in progress at a time in the future tense. Clear? Now let me tell you the structure of future continuous tense. Subject, helping verb, shall be and will be. Two helping verbs you can use, shall be and will be. Verb fourth form, ing form, then object. So this is the structure of a future continuous tense. You know, if you want to memorize the tenses, if you want to get grip of the tenses, you have to memorize these structures. Is it clear now? So let us make some sentences. I suppose it will be raining. मैं समझता हूँ कि वहाँ पे बरसात हो रही होगी. मां सम्झां थो त हुते बरसात थी रही हूंदी. This time tomorrow I will be watching television. इस वक्त मैं कल टेलीविज़न देख रहा हूँगा. हिन टाइम मां सुभाणे टेलीविज़न ॾिसी रहियो हूंदुसि. Now see how future continuous tense is used. You have to tell the time and the action will be in progress in the future time. Let me tell you another example, that this time tomorrow I will be waiting for you at the station. इस वक्त, बिल्कुल इसी वक्त मैं तुम्हारा स्टेशन पे कल इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँगा. हिन ई वक्त मां सुभाणे तुंहिंजो इंतज़ार करे रहियो हूंदुसि. This time tomorrow my friends will be reading English books. इसी वक्त पर मेरे दोस्त टेलीविज़न देख रहे होंगे, या हिन ई टाइम ते सुभाणे मुंहिंजा दोस्त टेलीविज़न ॾिसी रहिया हूंदा. When you come, I will be watching television. When you come, I will be reading English books. जब तुम आओगे मैं अंग्रेज़ी किताब पढ़ रहा हूँगा. You know, now in this sentence you can see there is a little bit change. I have used two parts in the sentence. First part is when you come, and second part future continuous tense. When you come, you know, this is a structure of simple present tense, but when we are going to use when or before in just like class, then we have to use a structure of simple present tense, but we will get the meaning of a future tense. Clear? But we cannot say when you will come, yeah, when they will come. We can't say when you will come, but we can say when you come, when she comes. So this is the right structure. Clear? Let us make more sentences. Before you come, I will be reading books. Before you come, I will be using net. तुम्हारे आने से पहले मैं नेट इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँगा. तो खां पहिरीं मां नेट इस्तेमाल करे रहियो हूंदुसि. When my friend comes, I will be driving a car. जॾहिं मुंहिंजो दोस्त मूं वटि ईंदो मां ड्राइविंग करे रहियो हूंदुसि. Now see, when my friend comes, but I cannot say when my friend will come. Is it clear? Let's make more sentences. When teacher comes, we will be reading books. जॾहिं टीचर ईंदो असां किताब पढ़ी रहिया ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ। When principal comes, we will be making fair copies. जब प्रिंसिपल आएगा तो हम फेयर कापी बना रहे होंगे। जॾहिं प्रिंसिपल ईंदो त असां फेयर कापी ठाहे रहिया हूंदासीं। When my father comes, I will be reading newspaper. जॾहिं मुंहिंजो पीउ ईंदो त मां अख़बार पढ़ी रहियो हूंदुसि। Is it clear? Are you getting? Now I think these sentences are easy for you. You can make more sentences. Yes, another sentence. You will be memorizing some important questions. तुम important questions याद कर रहे होंगे। तुम अहम सवाल याद कर रहे होंगे। My relatives will be helping needy people. मेरे रिश्तेदार गरीब लोगों की मदद कर रहे होंगे। मुंहिंजा रिश्तेदार मुंहिंजा माइट गरीब माण्हुनि जी मदद करे रहिया हूंदा। Some people will be fighting. कुछ माण्हू विड़ी रहिया हूंदा, कुछ लोग लड़ रहे होंगे। I shouldn't be worried about because they will be working in nice manner. मुझे परेशान नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि वो अच्छे तरीके से काम कर रहे होंगे। So please, if you like this video, subscribe my channel and share to other people, and please like this. Thank you.